Well, this is a 2006 Range Rover Sport. It's supercharged with 69,000 miles. Let's see what this beast will sound like. Well, interior quality is what's to be expected in a Range Rover. They have lots of hard to the touch materials. Looks like a little fridge right there to chill drinks and such because it's quite cool in there. Center lid is a bit flimsy and hard to the touch, though on top it is a bit padded. This is for the ride height and for the low range over here. Their low range is engaged. Yeah, you can feel the thing just wants to go. Let's put it back. This is the hill descent. And this is for the ride height. Ashtray. The lid is very flimsy. Some cup holders, climate control, dual zone. It's a radio. This one has the Harman Kardon system. So it shouldn't sound bad. Hazards, door locks. Little storage compartment right there. I hate how it just retracts back, so you have to hold it down. It is slightly padded though, but I hate how creaky and loose feeling it feels. Very creaky. There's the glove compartment. It's a bit hard. It just has a very, like a slight vinyl lining on top of it, but it's hard overall. Everything in here on the sides, it's all hard to the touch. Steering wheel is nice and thick. Hands-free controls, radio controls, cruise control. Door panel up above is slightly soft, but it is quite hard. Armrest is soft. You can see how the handle is already fading away here. Down there you have cheap plastics there, it's hard to touch. The dash is soft, at least. I'd say that's the softest material you'll probably find aside from the seats. Oddly enough. Rear view mirror has its garage door opener. And you have the moonroof. Look under the hood. And backseat room is about average. You have radio controls right there individually. Volume controls, headphone jack. Materials follow through. You have this, looks like a fake wood accents here. I don't know. Looks fake. Doesn't look real. It is quite padded though. It follows through. The seat is a bit firm. You have seat heaters. I don't know what the hell that is. There we go. Aux jack, but you can see how the fit and finish, that thing was already out. Rear AC vents, and the vent's already broken on that side. Armrest is quite firm, so I give them credit right there. I hate how they just stuck this vinyl with just that 3M glue. That's so ugly. You can see that little edge there. Seats do fold down. That was the rear glass. I want the whole door this time. Cargo area is quite decent, really. You have the power right there. jack storage. Like I said, supercharged. 4.2 V8. It's all covered up. I imagine this one having a 6-speed auto. There's manual shift mode. Electronic e-brake. And I forgot to mention they had the screen up above. The engine does sound good though. Sorry about that.